Your team stopped watching your internal videos, and BigVu AI just fixed that. I know because mine did too. Long, unedited recordings. No captions. Zero energy. People skip them entirely. Then I found BigVu, and everything changed. The AI script generator writes your announcement, training recap, or policy update in seconds. Tailored, clear, and actually worth watching. Then word trim lets you cut the rambling, the filler words, the awkward pauses, just by editing text. No timeline scrubbing, no editor on payroll. You record with the teleprompter so you stay confident on camera and maintain natural eye contact. Captions auto-generate and sync to your speech, so nobody misses a word. And with the brand kit, every video looks like it came from the same professional team. One tool, real results. Your people will actually watch these updates. Head to BigVu's website right now and start your free trial today.